Our next destination was Giu village. Ever heard of this name? If not, then let me take you to yet another secret place of Himachal, Giu village. It is located at the height of 10,500 feet above sea level and just few kilometers away from Indo-China border. This place is famous for a mummy which was found in 1985 by Indian Army. We were heartfully received by villagers here, and we were accompanied by a local young man named Tenzin Nandu, who told me the history of this place. When Indian Army was digging the ground in 1985, they found some blood drops on their digging tools. So they started digging carefully around the area when they found a body in sitting posture. Local believe that this is the body of holy man or Lama named Sangha Tenzin. Later in carbon dating, it is found that the body was somewhat 550 years old and nails and hairs were still growing from the body. Now there are some contradictions in story. Some says this holy man took plague of scorpions on himself and saved the village, and some says when he was in deep meditation, landslide happened and he was buried in it. Today this mummified Lama is somewhat preserved in glass chamber, dressed in silk robes. A gompa is built on the hilltop just near to this still preserved Lama. Giu village is quite peaceful with just few hundred of people living in small hut. Accommodation in this village is limited to a couple of homestays. A day trip to this village is good enough. However, if you are looking for peace, you can stay here. I hope you liked this video. See you next week in Kaza. Until then, have a wonderful time.